And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these graphite pickleball paddles set. Inside of this little bag is very nice little carrying case. You got a pocket here in the front, got a little handle in the front, and then also like a strap that you could easily adjust and kind of throw it over your shoulder. And what's inside of it? Some fun pickleball stuff. So nice zippers. Look at that. Looks like you get at least 4 pickleballs. Very nice. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it for the carrying case. Very nice pickleball paddles. Look at those. Nice, like leather filling strip, not bending or anything. Nice white and black color, pro trend pickleball. But this is enough for a full family of 4 to be able to enjoy some pickleball. Very, very nice. That will essentially do it for this unboxing of this pickleball kit. You can get this product and have everything you need to go hit the pickleball courts and start learning. I did actually notice the colors are inverted. Very cool. You notice these two have white on the bottom and these have black on the bottom, while these have black on the top and white. Very cool. All right. Thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Deuces.